Here we have got a Supra coming in to install a full titanium catback system by Veleno Performance. Check it out. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Titan Auto House YouTube series. And today, we're at our dealer, TS Autosports, who are located in Ipoh. They do all types of service and maintenance and performance upgrade. So now we have uninstalled the stock exhaust together with the downpipe. And on my left here, we have the Veleno set. So I'm gonna quickly show you what are the main difference between the stock exhaust and the Veleno Performance exhaust. So let's start with the downpipes. From here, this is a 200 cell catted downpipes. So you can see the cats inside the holes are much bigger compared to the stock downpipe. You can see it's much smaller on the stock downpipe. The air holes is much smaller, so there's more restriction. And because customers are planning to tune up to stage 2, you need at least a performance downpipe or a D-cat downpipe. Okay, moving back to the catback system, starting from here, the center mid resonator is deleted, coming down here to a Y pipe, splitting all the way to the muffler. This is a 2.0 Supra exhaust system. With the Veleno is running on dual valve tronic system, and the stock exhaust is only a single valve. So we won't be using this system anymore, and we'll put in new wiring to fit in the Veleno Valvetronic system here. And for the exhaust tip, customer has opted for the dry carbon exhaust tip, and of course we have 4 different designs to choose from. This is what the customer has chose. Let's move on to the installation. Alright guys, we just completed the installation for this Supra with a stage 2 remap. So we're gonna do more video shooting and show you the sound. I think the sounds is so amazing, and this is only a Supra 2.0. The setup is with a catted downpipe and a full titanium catback exhaust. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Meanwhile, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe and like on our channel. See you in our next episode.